Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we will be removing and reinstalling a front door speaker in a 2000 Nissan Pathfinder. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. There's some screws here. We're gonna have to pull this screw out in here. There's a little cover right here. I'll take a straight blade screwdriver, pull this little cover off here, pull that out of the way. I can take a Phillips head screwdriver, take that out. Pull that screw out. A little cover over a screw right here. Take a straight blade screwdriver, pull that off. And we'll take a Phillips screwdriver, pull this screw out. Use a bigger screwdriver. Pull that screw out. You can take some trim tools and go underneath here and pull the switch cover off. Pull that out. Disconnect this electrical connector. I'm going to use a straight screwdriver. Push down on the tab. And pull it out. There's another Phillips head screw right there. Pull that screw out. Right, we're going to pull this trim piece off. Take a screwdriver, get underneath here, and underneath here. Oops. So I'm trying to pry it out while I release the locks underneath here. Once that's released, and slide it. It slides on right there. There's a little lip right there. That pulls out. All right, so we're gonna pull this armrest up. There's some large spring clips in here. You may have to use a trim tool. Get under here. Pull up those two clips. And we can take these two screws out, Phillips head screws. You can also use a 10mm socket. Pull those out. And there's push clips all around the inside of the door panel. I'm going to take a trim tool. We sell these in kits at 1aauto.com. Get in here, try to release the clips. It helps if you get right on the clip, but sometimes it's not easy to find them. Let's take this. Get some of those out. Pry those all out. Slide the door panel up and pull it off. All right, we're gonna pull the speaker out. Use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take these screws out. You can grab the speaker and pull. And there's two connectors right there connected to the speaker. going to be careful with these connectors. We'll use a straight screwdriver to help us pry these out. Pop that one off, and then we'll pop this little one off, just like that. Now reinstall the speaker. We're gonna put the smaller connector right here, slide it on. Just like that, and then we'll take the bigger one, slide that one on, just like that. And we can reinstall the speaker, line that up with the holes, take the screws, and we'll get all these screws started. Oops. And once they're all in, then we can snug them down. Remember, it's plastic that you're screwing into, so don't over tighten it. Just snug. That's good. We can take these clip tools and take these extra clips that didn't come off. Pull these all off and we'll transfer them to the door panel. Right, so now we'll reinstall these clips into the door trim panel. Just push it on and then slide it over in place. Okay, I'm going to reinstall this door panel. We're going to send the wiring harness through here so we can grab it later, and then install the top part of the harness of the door panel first. We'll line these clips up. When they're lined up, just tap it down. Before I put the screw in here, I'm going to put this trim piece on because it's easier to do before the screw's in there. I can get it to line up because I can move the handle back and forth a little bit depending on the direction it's going to go. Just like that. Now I can put the screws in. Start with this screw here. Snug that up. Here's the bigger. All right. Now we can put these screws in. You can either use a 10mm socket and a ratchet, or you can use a Phillips head screwdriver. Before I snug that up, I'll get the other one started. I'll snug these all up. Good. Next we can install this armrest. Just click that on there, hammer it down. We'll install this Phillips head screw right down here. Snug that up. I'm going to reinstall this window switch, install the connector, slide it on, click it down, and then these retainers right here, line these up, and then just push it down. I'm going to reinstall this cap over the screw right here. Just line it up, push it down, just like that. And then this little cover goes on this one. This little tab goes towards the outside of the vehicle. Line that tab up and then push it on.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.